The Admiral Makarov National University of Shipbuilding in Mykolaiv is a higher education institution which trains specialists for the shipbuilding and allied industries of Ukraine. The university is named after the Russian Admiral Stepan Makarov, who was born in the city. History. In April 1901, the Ministry of National Education of the Russian Empire announced the Mykolaiv Industrial Technical School. The school opened on 1 July 1902 at 3 Kuznetsnaya Street, marking the beginnings of the NUS. Teaching began on 18 September 1902 with courses including shipbuilding, mechanics, electrics and road building that was carried out in a department of works and in the school itself. The school had the status of a higher education institution. After 3 years of study, graduating students received the qualification of engineer. In 1926 and 1927, the school was reorganized to teach technical shipbuilding and the course of study was lengthened to 4 years. The school was equipped with laboratories for metallurgy, chemistry, thermodynamics and engineering. In 1929, the Mykolaiv Shipbuilding Technical School was merged with the Mykolaiv Technical Night School and renamed the Mykolaiv Machine Building Institute, and in 1930, in association with the shipbuilding department of the Odessa Polytechnic Institute, it was renamed the Mykolaiv Shipbuilding Institute. In 1941, at Russia's entry into World War II, the MSI employed 94 teachers and was training almost 700 students. Approximately 500 students, teachers and employees were conscripted to the Red Army and sent to the front. Others were tasked with building defensive structures and harvesting crops. The MSI was evacuated, first to Stalingrad, then to Astrakhan and later to Przevozhsk, Kyrgyz Soviet Socialist Republic. During the war, the MSI maintained 22 departments and trained 370 students. On 30 June 1944, it was decided to return the MSI to Mykolaiv, and on 1 October 1944, it reopened. In 1945, 36.5 million KHRB was allocated to a 5-year plan of restoration and development. In 1946, the MSI was accredited for postgraduate study in marine engineering and steam and internal combustion engine design. Links were made with other institutes of science. In 1949, the MSI was renamed Admiral Makarov MSI for Stepan Makarov, a native of Mykolaiv, a naval admiral and a marine engineer. By 1955, over 80% of the teachers at the Admiral Makarov MSI were involved in research. The 18th of September 1970 marked the 50th anniversary of the school, and by decree of the Presidium of the Supreme Rada of the USSR, the school was awarded the Order of the Red Flag for merit in preparation of engineering workers and for its achievements in the development of scientists. On 17 May 1971, a new building was opened and work was begun on the construction of a 13-story hostel that would house 1,295 students. In 1971, 50 economists of engineering graduated. In 1994, by the decision of the Cabinet of Ministers Council of Ukraine, the Admiral Makarov National Shipbuilding University received the highest level of accreditation, which gave it the status of a university, and it adopted the new name, Ukrainian State Maritime Technical University. The president was Romanovsky Georgy Fedorovich. Then and now, Ryzhkov Sergei Sergeyevich. Progress. Since 1941, MSI has trained over 1,700 marine engineers and altogether 55,000 industry-ready workers. NUS has 8 institutes, 3 faculties, a school at sea, a campus in Kherson, and representation in 3 cities of Ukraine. It has links with its community and with industry. A student population of 12,000 read in 26 areas and in 30 specialties. The university offers bachelor, expert and master's degrees, a doctorate of science, and academic and teacher education. The university employs 68 doctorate staff and 256 scientists specializing in new ship design, safety at sea, unmanned underwater craft, structures and works, marine metallurgy and marine power. The university also provides certification of polymetric systems for metrological maintenance of on-board and coastal complexes, improvements of marine electric equipment and automatic systems, and methods and means of increasing the efficiency of touch maintenance and information complexes of hierarchically organized control systems. The Ukraine Ministerial Committee on Industrial Policy and Education recognized the university as a key provider of marine welders. In association with the German organization NUS, prepared 20 marine welders with qualifications matching European standards. On the 25th of March 2004, the President of Ukraine gave the university a national status and it was renamed Admiral Makarov National University of Shipbuilding. The NUS has associations with educational institutions of other nations, giving students the opportunity to study abroad. Educational Scientific Center of International Cooperation. The university's Educational Scientific Center of International Cooperation organizes the NUS associations with other universities in the US, Great Britain, Germany, Norway, China, Poland, Romania, Turkey, Bulgaria, Iran, Spain, Vietnam and the CIS. The ESCIC facilitates requests by NUS students for scholarships, international grants and exchanges. It liaises with, for example, the German Academic Exchange Service, or DAAD, the Alexander von Humboldt Foundation, the Fulbright Program on International Research and AMP Exchanges Board in US, and the Education for Democracy Foundation. International students from many nations study on a contractual basis at NUS institutes. The Institute of Shipbuilding departments are structural mechanics, fluid mechanics, hull construction, maritime technologies, ship theory and design, and shipbuilding technology. The Institute of Computer Engineering and Technological Sciences departments are Faculty of Technology, Welding Engineering, Design and Production of Composite Materials, Material Sciences and Technology, Computer Science Faculty, Automated System Software, Project Management, and Information System and Technologies. The Institute of Mechanical Engineering departments are Conditioning and refrigerating, marine and stationary power plants, thermal physics and steam generating units, turbines, mechanics and ecology, internal combustion engines, ecology, marine mechanical engineering technology and mechanics and mechanical engineering. The Institute of Automatic Control and Electrical Engineering departments are Computer-assisted control systems, ship electrical equipment and information security, electrical power systems, automatic control engineering, theoretical electrical engineering and electronic systems, impulse processes and technologies, and marine instrument engineering. The Institute of Humanities departments are Theory and History of the State and Law, Applied Linguistics, Social Studies and Humanities, Modern Languages, Design, Olympic and Professional Sports Theory, and Physical Training and Sports. The Institute of Extramural and Distant Learning departments are Theoretical Mechanics, Engineering Graphics, Life Safety and Civil Defense, Natural Sciences, Higher Mathematics, Physics, and Philosophy and Cultural Studies. Faculties: Technology, Power Engineering, Mobile Technologies, Engineering and Economics. Preparation: Branches: Mykolaiv Educational and Consulting Center, Tokmak Educational and Consulting Center, Yuzhno-Ukrainsk Distant Learning Center, Kirovorad Distant Learning Center, Pervomaisk Polytechnic, Feodosia Polytechnic, Institute of Postgraduate Studies.